not. That oil? That is not good.
Is it oil?
I think that's coolant. Yeah, that's not good.
You come from this way?
Yeah.
That's weird. So it didn't leak at all on the way out
Yeah.
here, right?
Yeah.
Only when you park here. Huh. Maybe we can open the hood to take a look.
Yeah.
So weird. And it's leaking. Wow, Jesus.
See? Yeah.
Here. Wow.
Yeah, it's the coolant. Alright, let me give him a call.
Yes, please.
I'm just waiting for the service advisor to respond. I can't even take it back
Yeah.
because it's going to overheat.
Yeah. That's coolant, right?
It-
You verify it's coolant.
Yeah, when I smelled it, it smelled like a coolant.
And it shouldn't be a big problem. Maybe just a pipe leaked, or right, or a screw not tightened up enough.
Yeah.
It leaks from here. You see that
Yeah,
from this one, right?
I saw it. Yeah, I saw it.
So maybe
So-
someone can come here and fix it and add some coolant. It should be fine.
Let me find out
Yeah.
what.
But we can't park it here. This on the street we can't
Yeah.
park overnight. Probably have to move on to
Okay.
the driveway.
Okay.
Yeah. But if someone can come today, during the day, it should be fine to park here temporarily.
Well, let me see what.
Yeah, let's see what
Yeah, let me see
can
what
do.
he wants to do.
That's weird. So
Yeah, there's nothing along the way. Yeah, I mean, like I went around.
oh, you went around.
Yeah.
Maybe you
There
turn.
isn't even a single drop.
Doesn't seem like it. Any drop. Are those? You see that line? Are those line possibly what we left?
No.
There was one. One
No,
line.
it's-
There's another line here. Did it go this way? See?
Yeah,
There's
but
a
no,
line
those
go
were-
there,
yeah,
and those are
I don't think.
line come back.
I don't think that was. I think it happened as soon as I parked my car.
Yeah, if it started leaking earlier, probably has overheated already. Right?
Yeah.
You can't make the trip here.
Yeah. No, it didn't show me anything on the display other than the fuel level being low. That's the only thing.
Yeah. Now we can. Oh, see, there is something hanging out there. See? Probably that's the problem. See that? This one. I didn't notice this before.
Well, that's just a piece of string.
Oh, that's not.
No,
Okay.
that's just. I can't because it just completely let the coolant. It's not a minor.
It depleted. Damn.
No, it didn't overheat because it happened. As soon as we got here, I was taking pictures outside, and actually the client pointed out to me. I didn't even see it until the client pointed out to me. Yeah, it has to be. There's no way it can be driven back there. It's just impossible. Yeah. It's not it's not a drip. It just let the whole thing out. So it's not even. Yeah, it's not. I'm telling you, this is not something that we can drive back there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, what should I tell the client here? Because the client, has to be told something. Is Scott gonna give him a call, or how's this gonna work? Okay. Sounds good. Okay. Okay. If you said what? Who's getting it towed? Oh, he has to get it towed. Okay. Do you have a means of? Can you get it towed to the office and they figure it out? I mean, Okay. Uh, yeah, yeah, I think that's best. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thanks. All right. So Scott is going to give you a call because the car has to be towed back there. That's what it is.
But are you implying I'm gonna be responsible to tow it back?
Well, I did no, I don't think so. To the best of my knowledge,
Right? This because
yeah.
this I haven't accepted this car
Oh
yet.
yeah,
You
no,
can-
no,
and you can testify, right?
absolutely. There's no question about it.
Okay.
I'm mostly responsible for picking up the cars
Yeah,
and
I
dropping the
understand.
cars.
Understand.
So to the best of my knowledge, this is this kind of is the responsibility of the
Yeah,
dealership.
I haven't checked and accepted
yeah,
the delivery,
yeah,
so it shouldn't be
yeah.
part of my problem. And yeah,
Should I park it on your driveway?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that means probably they're not gonna come here to fix it today, right? And we have to wait a few more days.
For the tow truck?
Not the tow truck or anything. The solution.
I mean, I don't think they're gonna come and fix the car here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so because once it doesn't look like, I don't know if it's a question of some pipe being put in and then tightening something, or even if they do that, they still have to put it on a diagnostics equipment to find out what's causing that. So this is something that the car has to go back to the shop for.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, so I don't think you're going to be able to drive the car like today or this weekend. I don't think.
Okay.
I think that's what we're looking at.
All right.
Let me move the car back.
Okay.
I'm gonna back it up.
Sure. Yes. Yeah. Easier for them to tow, right? Yeah. So you can park before this single door gate, single space. 哎，等一等，爸爸有事儿呢啊。
What were they fixing? What did I take it for? When I took the car in, it was like for steering.
Yeah, charging malfunction.
Oh, charging malfunction.
Charging malfunction. Yeah. And they did the diagnosis, they did the inspection, but it didn't mention anything about the coolant. It was just electricity.
Well, I was just trying to think
Electrical.
if they had to disassemble, any part of the engine to address, to address the problem.
All right.
Anyway.
I don't think I should take it back. Maybe you can bring it back to the dealership and give it back to them.
You don't want the key?
No. I don't want to sign the paperwork or accept anything before we get a call back from Scott. Right? I don't want to be.
Well, while I understand your concern, when the tow truck comes, they're going to need a key.
I have a spare key, but I don't want this one. This one I haven't taken it back.
Okay.
Right? Just to cut this line clear.
Sure,
I haven't taken it back.
No,
okay.
I'm with
a
you.
little bit cautious. A little bit cautious.
First of all, I am with you, and second, I completely understand
Yes, yes,
what's
sir.
happening.
Yes, yes,
Okay?
yes,
It's
yes.
not that I have a
I
misunderstanding.
understand. Thank you.
But,
Thank you
but
for
I'm
understanding.
only thinking about it from the perspective of the car is here. When the tow truck comes, he's gonna need a key to to operate the
Yeah,
car.
yeah, I have a
So-
spare key. I have a spare key.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
better
yeah, I
than-
have a spare key.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Just please bring this back.
Okay.
Because we haven't handed
Yeah.
shift hands.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
the car.
Okay.
Keep this as a token, right? All right.
Okay.
Okay.
As soon as I get back to
Sure.
the day, he should be calling you even before I get there.
Okay.
Scott.
No
Book.
worry. No problem.
But as soon as I get there, I'm just going to explain the
Sure.
situation to him.
Thank you.
And a tow truck should be coming and getting the car.
Thank you.
That's what I can tell you.
Sounds great.
That's the only right thing to happen.
Okay.
Nothing other than that.
All right. Sounds great.
That's my expectation, at least.
Hopefully get problem resolved without
Okay.
dispute.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome,
All right.
sir.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
Have a nice afternoon.
You too.
Okay.
Bye.
That's
Take care.
everything? Okay.
Take care.